Fatty liver? Then pay attention, because most people are eating foods that quietly make their liver worse. Here are the foods that actually reverse fatty liver. Oats. What happens when you eat them? When you eat real oats, not the sugary crap, the soluble fiber travels into your gut, binds to excess fat, and literally drags it out of your liver. Your insulin response stabilizes, fat stops piling up, and your liver finally catches a break. Cruciferous veggies. What they do once digested. When broccoli, cabbage, or kale hit your system, they release compounds that activate your liver's detox enzymes. Your liver starts breaking down toxins and fat faster. If you skip greens, your liver works overtime for no reason. Coffee. What it does the moment you drink it. Black coffee hits your bloodstream and triggers antioxidant activity inside the liver. Inflammation drops, scarred tissue formation slows, and fat buildup reduces. The liver literally becomes more resilient. Fatty fish. What omega-3 does in the liver. When you eat salmon or sardines, omega-3 enters your liver cells and tells them to stop storing fat and start burning it. Inflammation drops, fat shrinks, and your liver moves toward normal function. Legumes. What happens after you eat them? Lentils, beans, and chickpeas blunt your sugar spikes. That means less insulin, less fat storage, and less pressure on the liver. Your metabolism becomes steadier instead of chaotic. Leafy greens. How they help inside the liver. Spinach, methi, lettuce, they flood your body with antioxidants. These compounds neutralize oxidative stress in the liver and help repair damaged cells. Low calories, high benefit. Garlic. What its active compounds do. When real garlic hits your gut, it releases allicin, an active compound that reduces stored fat inside liver cells. It also cuts inflammation, which helps your liver heal faster. Berries. What happens when you snack on them? Blueberries and strawberries deliver antioxidants that go straight to the liver and protect it from further damage. Low sugar means no spike, no extra fat stored. Perfect combination. Olive oil. What happens when you switch oils? When you use olive oil instead of heavy seed oils, your liver receives healthier fats that improve cholesterol movement. Fat inside the liver starts dropping, inflammation declines, and metabolic stress goes down. Nuts. The real mechanism behind their benefit. A handful of walnuts or almonds provides anti-inflammatory fats that protect liver cells from damage. Just don't overeat them. Too many calories reverses the benefit. The part you can't ignore. Doesn't matter how many good foods you add, if you keep eating sugars, white bread, juices, fried foods, alcohol, fast food, processed meats, your liver stays fatty. Full stop. If you want real science without excuses or sugarcoating, hit subscribe. Your liver doesn't fix itself. You fix it.